How to create a group chat in BeReal. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have installed the BeReal application, and also check if there are any updates available for the application on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to tap and open, and make sure that you have logged into your account after landing to the home page. Now as you can see, this is the home page over here. Now here you can see the option of groups, and here you can see one group as forever friends, and here is a new group. So just tap on a new group, and here you can make a group name. For example, I'll just write favorite. So time to be a notification, just mention it over here and then tap on next. So here you can invite your friends to your BeReal group chat via different social media networks, but your friends cannot access real chat just yet, as they're gradually rolling out real chat around the world, and we can just wait for other updates and other options available later on. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.